Okay, the next thing I'll be doing out here at the range is shooting my Glock 22, which is a 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. It's a Glock. The round is a Smith & Wesson. What I'm going to do is test out some of the new parts that I put in here. One of the one that I'm most concerned about is the recoil rod. I put a steel one in there, captive recoil spring on a steel rod. Replace the polymer one that came with the Glock. Now, whenever you're replacing a major part like that, you should test your weapon to make sure it functions properly, especially if you're going to rely on it for your life. Alright. One of the other things that I'm checking out is making sure that the laser will continue to work after being mounted here and shooting, because I heard or read some rumors that the NC Star lasers broke after a couple of shots, so I want to make sure that it functions okay after. So far, still lights. Laser's still working. Glock's still working.